2.4 in Krakatoa. Krakatoa is an island in the Sunda Strait between Java, Sumatra in Indonesia. It is known for its volcano which erupts regularly. What is volcano? A volcano is a crack or opening in Earth's crust. There is hot molten rock near the Earth's center. There is a hot melt. Sometimes it rises to the surface of the earth through such crack or opening and flows out. When this happens, we say that the volcano has erupted. The volcano eruption happens on tremendous scale. Thick, dark cloud of smoke rise high from the opening and spread in the sky. Big glowing burning chunks of rock and red hot lava are thrown out of the crack in the earth. Chunk means roughly. Very hot mud and ash are also thrown out. A great volcanic eruption can change the landform in the area. Volcanoes are popularly classified into three categories. Active volcano. Active volcano erupt regularly. Dormant volcanoes. Dormant means a temporary inactive or in deep sleep. We find information about the eruption on these volcanoes in history, but now they are quiet. Extinct volcano. Geographers can guess by looking at the rock formation that they used to erupt long ago, but there is no record of it in history. Extinct volcanoes is unlikely to erupt again. Extinct means not existing now. Krakatoa is an active volcano. It has erupted many times, causing great disaster. The worst of the eruption took place in August 1883. The volcano erupted with such a loud boom that it was heard more than 3,500 kilometers away in Australia. It is believed to be the loudest sound that man has ever heard. The island, which was a volcanic mountain, collapsed on itself. The dust that was thrown up in the eruption rose to about 80 kilometers in the sky. It spread in the sky around the world and later settled in different parts of the world, thousands of kilometers away. The eruption caused giant waves or tsunami in sea near the island. About 165 villages and the towns were destroyed due to the eruption and tsunami. The eruption destroyed a third of the island of Krakatoa. It collapsed beneath the surface of the sea, creating a huge underground water. The hole was more than 6 kilometers wide. Then in 1927, a plume of smoke rose out of the water on the crater. Plume, a long cloud of smoke, a vapor resembling feather as it spreads from its point of origin. It was followed by another eruption a few days later. A new island volcano broke water. How did it happen? When the underground volcano threw up ash and rock, it quickly taken away by. But then the lava started flowing out of the crater faster. This volcanic material was not all taken away by the waves, and new mountain began to grow. It kept growing and was soon seen by the water. Thus, a new island grew from old island of Krakatoa. Anek Krakatoa is still there. Eruptions have begun again since 1994. It lie quiet for few days and then again there is a eruption. With more lava flowing out, the island is still growing bigger. With more lava. Since 1950, the island has grown at an average rate of 5 inches per week. A part of the old island known as Rakata is still visible in the sea, a little away from new arrival Anek Krakatoa. After Krakatoa's eruption in 1883, all surrounding island and the coast were covered with the hot ash. No life remained. When the scientist visited in 1884, he found just one spider there. But the living world on Rakata was not lost and gone forever. The wind and the sea brought the seeds of the plants to the island. Some seeds came with the birds who flew over the island. Plant animals that live in the sea came to the coast again. Small land animals like ant, termite, or even rats, lizard travel to the island on plants floating in the sea. Termite, a small white tropical insect which eat wood, teeming with plants and animals. Teeming means phrase, full of. It was like a laboratory when scientists can see how living things slowly developed in an area. Today, scientists can observe this also a part of Anek Krakatoa which does not get covered with volcanic ash. The western coast of Java was greatly affected by Krakatoa's eruption. Very few human beings were left there. But the wild animal plant in that area grew in number again. In fact, the wild animal grew naturally since there was no human being to interfere with it. There was no one to cut the trees or kill the animals. So this region became rich in wildlife.